Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'm having this 12 volt 3 amp hours battery power save. It's a 12 volt battery, but it's giving only 7 volts. So let me show you. As you can see that it's giving 7.6 volts. So I will show you that how you can revive it so it will start to hold the charge. First of all, you have to open its top case. These rubber caps. Actually, these are maintenance free batteries, but as the time proceeds, they charge and discharge. Their water dries inside the plates. So if I see inside it, its plates are totally dried up. So let's fill it. What you have to take is this simple battery water, but the more important liquid is this lead battery acid. I am going to take this distilled water and now I'm going to add some this lead acid battery water into it, so it makes a good electrolyte. Now we will fill every cell. We don't have to flood this battery with actually we don't have to flood this battery. We have to add just little amount so that these blades can get wet and absorb water to some extent. I'm adding almost 5 ml per cell. Now we have to recharge it with a balance charger. So let's see, will it take charge or not. I'm using this XL4015 DC to DC step down buck converter. I have already made 2 to 3 videos about its complete review, so let's check on my channel. First of all, I have to set the output voltage to 13.8 or 14 volts. It's the maximum voltage for charging a lead acid battery. 13.9 volts is good, and we have to adjust the ampere. As it's a 3 amp hours battery, I have to set the current to almost 25% of its total capacity. So it means almost 750 to 800 milliamps. It's on 1.28. I'm setting it on 800. So there's one problem that this battery is not taking any charge, so I have to increase the voltage from here. As soon as this blue LED indicates the charging, I will stop. As you can see that blue LED is turned on, means that it's charging, going from higher to lower potential. So let's check the output voltage, that how much it has increased. You can see that it's started taking charge at about 14.7 volts. So for about batteries which are not accepting any charge, and you have to jumpstart them about giving 15 to 20 volts for about 15 to 20 seconds, so their voltage will rise up, so you can then after charge them with a low current rating or low voltage about 13.5 to 13.8 volts. So now it's accepting charge at about 14.7 volts. So if I remove it, as you can see that the battery voltage has risen to about 12 volts. Now it's dropping. So it started charging. We have to continuously give 15 to 14 volts for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes I will change the voltage to about 13.8. So let's wait. After 3 minutes I'm going to decrease the voltage to about 13.8, and it's starting to hold charge. So now I'm going to set it at, it's about 13.93. I have set it to almost 14.75, but it started taking charge. So now (13.84) is good. So now this battery is taking charge at almost 13.8 volts. So we have to wait for it so it can charge to 100%. Now 1 hour is passed. So let's see what this battery have got. It's still charging. It's not fully charged. Let's see the voltage. As you can see that it's now dropping slowly, means it will end up at about 11 volts. So now battery is taking and holding the charge, so it will now give a good backup. So there's the filament bulb. As you can see that it's turning on, so mean it's providing backup. So in this way you can recover your dead lead acid battery. So if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. And one thing is that it will not be restored to its 100% original capacity, but it will give about if it's 3 amp hours, so it will give about 2 amp hours or 1.5. Will not be restored to its original capacity, but but still you can use this battery. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.